Then once we have the sense of our tasks, now we get to move into the action. Let's create a plan. So again, on our website, learning.uwo.ca, we have 4-month calendars. This is a great way for you to get a sense, see the big picture of the term. Here you can plunk in the deadlines that you've found on your course outline, right? When your exams are, when your assignments are due, when the quizzes are happening, if you have a presentation you have to give. You can also then think of, when your exams are, when you want to study. Put in the start date for studying. You can think of setting your own deadlines, entering them there, right? So there's lots of flexibility, but this gives you a sense of what the term is going to look like. Then you get into your weekly plan. This I like to think of as your weekly routine. Doesn't matter if it's the first week of the semester or the 7th or the last, right? Your weekly routine, your weekly plan is consistent. So this is when your classes are, regardless of if they're in person, right? That's an easy way to plunk in, okay, I have this class, I'm in person. If you're taking any online courses, remember that you have the option. The great thing about the flexibility of an online course is that you have the option to identify when you're going to do those tasks. So you can say, I'm going to treat this just like an in-person course. It requires 3 hours of learning a week, or 3 hours to listen to the lectures. I'm going to schedule an hour and a half on Tuesday and an hour and a half on Thursday. And then every week I know that's when I'm going to listen to the lectures for that online course. This is also the time and place for you to find chunks of time that you can study, to do those previewing, reviewing, recalling, practice problems, self-testing, summary notes, reading textbook chapters, finding the study times that will allow you to complete those tasks. So here's an example of a completed weekly planner. You'll see there's also those non-academic tasks placed in there. So when are you going to eat? When are you going to sleep or have downtime? So you'll see the blue slash lines at the bottom, like that's downtime, ready to go to sleep. Exercise, when you're volunteering, that kind of thing. The green boxes indicate when the study time is going to happen. And then the dashed green line, that flex study, that is study time that is available, that you can use if you need it. But if you've completed the tasks for that week and don't need to study during that time, great, then you have free time, found time for you. So going back to our agenda or planner, again, this is the way to think of, okay, big picture, 4-month calendar. This is the week that I have these questions, this assignment, this quiz that I need to prepare for. And you are plunking the specific, smaller tasks related to that item into your agenda.